Hiya folks, I've been sent this white toner laser setup so that you can print laser printed transfers with a white toner. This is the Ghost toner system. Let's unbox it and see what we got. See you in a minute. Right, well I was contacted about 2 weeks ago from this company who make the Ghost white toner, and they've been watching my YouTube videos. They saw my videos on the forever transfer papers and the difficulty I had even after their training, and also the very, very expensive printer that you need to operate that system. And they've got this system which they call the Ghost white toner system, and they've sent me this package. I did say to them that I'll be doing an honest review on this, but the first video we're going to do obviously is to unbox this setup, what we've got here. It's far cheaper than the forever system, including the printer. And what we're going to do now is just have a look and see what comes in this box. I've not even opened it myself yet, so let's have a look inside. First of all, you've got this box here, which is actually the Ghost white toner cartridge that fits inside your printer. As I say, I'm seeing this for the first time with you. All I've had is conversations with these people, and they wanted to send me on a training course as well. But I said if I was going to do a review, I'd do an honest review, and no training involved, I'm afraid. So what you're going to be seeing in these videos is as you would be as a beginner operating this system out of the box, so to speak. So let's just have a little look here. Let's put that to one side. I must say it's well packaged. I won't open this yet, but this is apparently the laser white toner, and I do believe that this is about £200 worth, so it is quite a dear piece of kit. But when you if you work it out, that the forever system with the printers they recommend, you're talking about £2,000 to £3,000. So that makes £200 for the white toner seem very comparable. The proof is in the pudding though, so we'll have to wait and see on that. Right, what else have we got in here? Now, just like the forever transfer papers, you've got 2 packets of 25 of laser cut, no cut A foils. And then you've got this packet, which is, I gather, the B paper, which is the glue adhesive that you basically put these both together. So you would obviously print on this one with your laser printer, and this one is the glue which you again bond together afterwards. So we've got 50 of them. Right, we've got there's an instruction book, so you can work straight out of the box on the instructions, although I prefer to look at a video, to be honest with you. And another catalogue there of all the different media and types of things that you can print on, and also the different toners and stuff that you need obviously to run this system. So that's another, call it an instruction manual. Right, and they even send you with this package the printer as well. So let me just open this up, bear with me. Right, okay, so this is obviously the printer they recommend with their system, and it is a HP M252DW. The W denotes that it's a wireless printer, so it's a colour LaserJet Pro printer. So let's get this thing unboxed. Bear with me, I'll be back in a minute. I'll just get this out of the box, you don't want to see that. Right, okay then, so this is the complete package, what you get in the box. This is our HP Colour LaserJet Pro M252DW printer. It's nice and compact and actually comparable in size to the original Oki, which I've also got there. So this is going to fit nicely in that area over there. You get a USB connector to connect to your PC, although as I said to you, you can do this wireless. You get 2 style of power leads. This is the UK 13 amp type plug, but you also get this one which is more European, I think, if I'm right. You get an installation CD for your printer, plus obviously some instructions there as well. So this is the complete kit which come in the box. As I say, this is the stuff that we're interested in, which is the white toner. This printer should come installed with the CYMK toners as well. And what you would actually do with this is when you come to print the white using this printer, you would take the black out, the black toner, and replace it with the white toner, and then you would change your printer settings to the grayscale and colour, everything as a black mask, and then when you press print, it will print out obviously the black mask because you've taken the black toner out, and print your white toner over everything you need. So there you go, there's our little unboxing video on the Ghost White Toner system. It's a lot more compact than the Forever printer system. The printer's a lot smaller, physically smaller. Also, it's a lot cheaper as well. It's a 50 paper startup pack we've got here. So in the next video, you're going to see me set this up and actually start using this for the very first time. And let's hope that it's very, very comparable to the Forever laser printer and the White Toner system, which they have, which is a lot more expensive. So keep tuned. So don't forget to hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button to get the updates as soon as I upload the videos, and we'll put this to the test. See you later. Bye for now.